Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. And my name is Saim Talukdar. You can call me Saim. Okay. And she is Shanjida. She is my team member. We are working together basically, and we are from an agency. And I am the head of agency, and she is my senior employee of social media management and everything. Okay. Okay. So thanks very much for joining with us. Okay. So let's start our project. So basically, she wanted to grow your social media and like Facebook, like everything, right?
Yeah, that was the plan. Like, I wanted to find out if you had the capability to grow social media. I'm not on Facebook, but I have an Instagram. So I wanted to find out if your services could help grow Instagram products.
Okay, so you want to sell your product via Instagram and anything, right? Which social presence do you have?
Pardon?
Which social media do you have? Instagram only or
Instagram.
Just Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for selling your product, we need to focus two social media like YouTube and Instagram, and then we will fix our website also. Okay. So let me give you a full plan of our project. Okay. Just allow me 5 minutes. I'm explaining all the methods. Okay. First of all, we will create a YouTube channel for your business, because a YouTube channel will help you to show your interest and also show your product, so that people can trust us, so that people can know about our product details and each and everything. So we need to create an YouTube channel so that people can understand about what we are selling and our product quality and our product video, each and everything. Because video product, when anyone will see our video product in YouTube and when anyone will see our YouTube channel, they will think about it is a big brand or it is a valuable brand, and they will find out in Google also. So we need to fix YouTube first. Okay, then we will fix Instagram, because Instagram is the
YouTube, you said?
YouTube channel.
Okay.
Then we will fix Instagram, because Instagram is the main key of selling your product. And you know what? Lots of people of foreign, like US, United States, US market, and also American market and Europe market are using Instagram very quickly. And Instagram is famous everywhere, but in US market and also in Europe market, Instagram is very popular for selling your product. So we need to fix Instagram also. First of all, we will fix your follower, because a big followers Instagram account will help us to build up our customer trust. When people will see we have lots of followers, then they will think about this is a verified page and this is a big page. So we don't need to worry about purchasing a product. They will give us the best product because of huge followers. Okay. So we need to fix followers. Then we need to fix our reels, because this time reels is the king. We need to upload reels every day or after 2 days, because reels is the very important thing of growing Instagram account. So you need to fix or you need to add or you need to upload 2 to 3 reels in a week, so that your viewers can understand about your product and understand they can see your product quality, they can see your product everything. So we need to fix your Instagram reels also. Then the third process is we will regularly upload our product automation presentation. We will capture our image, like capture some product image, then we will make it with a design. After that, we will upload it in Instagram, so that they can understand about our product category, and also we will add some information in the image so that they can understand about our product category, understand about our product details. This is the third rules. And the fourth rule is we will fix our advertising campaign. But for the first 1 month, we will not go to our advertising campaign. First of all, for the first 1 month, we will make our business by organically. We will grow our business by organic promotion. Organic means, already I said that, for YouTube, we will make our video viral, like with SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, which help us to show our video on the first page of YouTube search. So we don't need to spend advertising amount for the first time. But for the second
how many hours So sorry, you're saying all of this sounds great. So how many hours would you need to be working on it per week then? How many hours is required?
You just give us the video. Everything will be done by us. Okay, you just give us the video. Just capture the video, then give us the video, then everything will our task. So you need to spend 1 to 2 hours daily for the work. Okay, is that okay for you?
Was you or me?
For you.
So I will spend about 2 hours doing the video.
Yes, yes. You just give us the video, like your product video or anything, or you just give us the some informational video that will help us for audience behavior, or which video will show our category wise product, each and everything, so that viewers can understand about our product, and then they can make a purchase or hit a purchase from our website. Okay. Okay. So if you don't mind, can you share your website here so that I can take a look?
Sorry, say that again.
Can you share your website here in Zoom chat box? Your website link.
I want to share it. Hold on.
Okay, please.
The website is still getting updated, but this is it so far.
Okay, please. Just give us the link. Okay.
It's still getting updated, but this is it.
Okay. That's not a problem. Okay. Just I will check it, and after that also tell everything Sanjida. Then Sanjida will give you the full information about your website. So I hope you understand about the social media growth. So what is your opinion from social media growth?
Yeah, it sounds okay, but the thing is, I don't have time to do any videos 2 hours a week.
Okay.
I don't have that time.
Okay, so if you don't have time, then we will make the video with our presentation team, with our editor team. That's not a problem. Okay, we will produce the video also.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So everything will be our task. You just give us the permission and also give us the access of the presence and everything, so that we can start work from here. Okay. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand that. And so let's talk about our pricing and everything. So
yeah, how much is it?
Okay, so because of your website and also for your YouTube channel and also Instagram, we'll grow your 3 presence. Like first on website SEO, we'll fix your website SEO also, because SEO is the main key. Because when anyone will see our product in or product details in Instagram and also YouTube, then they will typically search in Google to justify the product, right? So when anyone will search with the product link or product title, we should do our SEO so that our product category or our product name will be visible in the first line. So that's why the SEO is the best term. Okay, so we will do your website SEO, then also we will do your Instagram growth, and also then we will do your YouTube channel. So we will charge from you $250 for monthly. Is that okay for you?
$250 per month.
Yes, $250, because there is a lots of tasks, and also you said that we need to create the video also. So this money is needed because there is a lots of tasks.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll definitely consider. I'll definitely consider.
Okay. So, what is your opinion? Do you?
I'll have to. Can you send me? Can you potentially send me the scope of work for me to review, and I'll make a decision.
Okay. Please. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I won't make a decision today. I'll need to sleep on it. I need to think about it. I can check my budget, and then I'll have to get back to you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm waiting for your response. And I hope you will get the better result from us if you choose us, and if you give us the opportunity to prove our ability and give you the best result. Okay.
No, thank you very much. Much appreciated. I really